there, fellow hair enthusiasts. Today I am going to reveal the secret to understanding your hair better. Can you guess what it is? It's hair porosity. Believe me, once you know your hair's porosity, you will be a hair wizard. So let's dive right into it. To start, we need to figure out if your hair is low porosity, medium porosity or high porosity. So grab a strand of your beloved hair and drop it into the glass of water. Look at that, if your hair floats at the surface like a little buoy, you have low porosity hair. It's like your hair is just too cool for the water. You need a little hair persuasion for hydration. Time to bring out the big guns, deep conditioning treatments in a shower. Captivating ritual. We need to open up those hair cuticles for proper moisture absorption. Or if you are feeling a bit extra, you can always use a hair dryer the size of a rocket launcher. But please, be careful, no hair shooting into outer space here. Once you have given your low porosity hair a good blasting session, you will be beaming with magnificently moisturized looks. Moving to the next category, medium porosity hair. This hair type is like the Goldilocks of porosity, not too dry, not too moist, it's just right. Medium hair porosity is like when you butter your toast. Soaks it up evenly, just like hair with medium porosity absorbs moisture. So with medium porosity hair, you don't need to go to extreme measures like with low porosity. But remember to find the right balance of moisture and hydration for happy bouncy locks. Porosity. If your hair sinks to the bottom of the glass like a rock, congratulations, you have high porosity hair. It has all these tiny holes just waiting for moisture to climb in. Moisture magnet, remember? So the key here is to invest in some moisture superheroes like leave-in conditioners and hair masks to keep your hair happy and hydrated. And there you have it, my hair obsessed friends. By now you should know your hair porosity like the back of your hand. Embrace it, learn from it, and most importantly, make your hair shine like the superstar it is. Remember, when it comes to hair porosity, knowledge is power and silly antics are optional. Stay fabulous.